Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video, we will try to understand a couple of more things related to access modifiers. Now friends, understand this. There are in total 4 access modifiers and there are numerous scenarios. As a result, there would be multiple combinations and permutations when it comes to usage of access modifier. And sometimes it could be a little difficult to understand that in a specific scenario what would be the outcome. Alright, so in this video we will use a chart in order to understand different scenarios and in order to understand the impact of access modifiers based on the scenarios. So quickly let us check this chart, which will help you to clear all of your doubts related to access modifiers. Alright, so the first scenario is where the element is within the class, and for example we have a method which is trying to access the element. In that case, there would be no impact of access modifier, we will get the access. If the element is within the same class, we will definitely get the access. Now moving forward, let us check the scenario where the element is within the same class but in some different class, and the different class is a subclass. What is a subclass? A subclass is a child class, or in other words, where there is an inheritance. Now in these kind of scenario, definitely we will get the access for default, protected and public access modifier, but if the element is a private element, then only we will not have the access. Pretty simple. Now let us check the scenario where we have the element within the same package, but the class where we have the element is a non-subclass. The answer for this scenario is no change. Definitely only the private access modifier will restrict the access, and in all the other case we will definitely have the access again. Now moving forward, let us check the scenario where we have different packages. The element is in different package, but the classes are connected using inheritance. The class is a subclass. In these kind of scenario, we will have access when it comes to protected access modifier and public access modifier, but private and default access modifier will not provide the access. Now friends, always remember, when it comes to default access modifier, the package is your family. As a result, as soon as we have the different packages, default access modifier will not provide the access. Alright, now moving forward, let us check the scenario where we have different packages, non-subclass. Now when it comes to this scenario, different package non-subclass, there is no connection between both the classes. As a result, only the public access modifier will provide the access. None of the other access modifier will provide access. Now friends, take a snapshot of this particular chart, keep it handy with you, try to understand how access modifier will work, and this chart is definitely will help you out to understand the overall working of access modifier. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and take care.